Does he play the guitar? He plays the guitar.
Did he play the guitar? He played the guitar.
Will he play the guitar? He will play the guitar. Do they speak French? They speak French.
Did they speak French? They spoke French.
Will they speak French? They will speak French. Does she write short stories? She writes short stories.
Did she write a short story? She wrote a short story.
Will she write a short story? She will write a short story. Do you cook Italian food? I cook Italian food.
Did you cook Italian food? I cooked Italian food.
Will you cook Italian food? I will cook Italian food. Do they learn languages? They learn languages.
Did they learn a language? They learned a language.
Will they learn a language? They will learn a language. Does she bake cakes? She bakes cakes.
Did she bake a cake? She baked a cake.
Will she bake a cake? She will bake a cake. Does he drive a car? He drives a car.
Did he drive a car? He drove a car.
Will he drive a car? He will drive a car. Does she grow flowers? She grows flowers.
Did she grow flowers? She grew flowers.
Will she grow flowers? She will grow flowers. Do you attend concerts? I attend concerts.
Did you attend a concert? I attended a concert.
Will you attend a concert? I will attend a concert. Do you write poems? I write poems.
Did you write a poem? I wrote a poem.
Will you write a poem? I will write a poem. Does he take photographs? He takes photographs.
Did he take a photograph? He took a photograph.
Will he take a photograph? He will take a photograph. Do you study English every day? I study English every day.
Did you study English yesterday? I studied English yesterday.
Will you study English tomorrow? I will study English tomorrow. Does it rain a lot in April? It rains a lot in April.
Did it rain a lot last April? It rained a lot last April.
Will it rain a lot next April? It will rain a lot next April. Does she cook dinner every night? She cooks dinner every night.
Did she cook dinner last night? She cooked dinner last night.
Will she cook dinner tonight? She will cook dinner tonight. Does he play football on weekends? He plays football on weekends.
Did he play football last weekend? He played football last weekend.
Will he play football next weekend? He will play football next weekend. Do they watch movies on Fridays? They watch movies on Fridays.
Did they watch a movie last Friday? They watched a movie last Friday.
Will they watch a movie next Friday? They will watch a movie next Friday. Does he read the newspaper daily? He reads the newspaper daily.
Did he read the newspaper yesterday? He read the newspaper yesterday.
Will he read the newspaper tomorrow? He will read the newspaper tomorrow. Do they clean their house every week? They clean their house every week.
Did they clean their house last week? They cleaned their house last week.
Will they clean their house next week? They will clean their house next week. Does she write in her diary at night? She writes in her diary at night.
Did she write in her diary last night? She wrote in her diary last night.
Will she write in her diary tonight? She will write in her diary tonight. Do we need to bring our books every day? We need to bring our books every day.
Did we need to bring our books yesterday? We needed to bring our books yesterday.
Will we need to bring our books tomorrow? We will need to bring our books tomorrow. Do you learn new words every day? I learn new words every day.
Did you learn any new words yesterday? I learned new words yesterday.
Will you learn any new words tomorrow? I will learn new words tomorrow. Does he eat breakfast every morning? He eats breakfast every morning.
Did he eat breakfast this morning? He ate breakfast this morning.
Will he eat breakfast tomorrow morning? He will eat breakfast tomorrow morning. Does she make her own clothes? She makes her own clothes.
Did she make a dress last week? She made a dress last week.
Will she make a skirt next week? She will make a skirt next week. Do you save money every month? I save money every month.
Did you save money last month? I saved money last month.
Will you save money next month? I will save money next month. Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!